I will another line here on the top. How many lines now? So now let's pick a letter U. Okay. And I will put some dots. Okay? 1, 2. How many dots? 2. And what is this? A face. Very good. Now, what is missing on the face? A nose. Very good. Let's put a nose. What else? Ears. Only 1? 2. Okay, let's make 2 ears. What else? Eyebrows. Very good. Now, what's next? Hair. Okay, let's put curly hair. Okay, what's else? Neck. Okay, let's put the neck. Okay, I will make a bow like this. Okay, now let's make an eyebrow also. 1, 2. Everyone, see, this one is just an ordinary drawing. It cannot move. Okay? Okay, now, if you see the eyes are moving or shaking, you need to scream like this. Okay, but I'm sure. Don't do anything. Why you have so much magic? Hold it, man.